Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Airtable and build a UI dashboard for design teams. Complete guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Airtable website by typing in airtable.com. Click on the Sign Up button in the top right corner of the page. If you already have an account, click on Login instead. To create an account, enter your email address and choose a password. Follow the prompts to verify your email and complete the registration process. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Airtable workspace. Click on the Add a Base button to start creating your first database. You can choose to start from scratch or use a template. For a design team dashboard, select an appropriate template related to project management or design workflows. Once your base is created, you'll see a grid view. Here, you can customize your fields. Rename columns to match the information you'll need, such as project name, due date, and status. Add different field types like single-line text, date, or drop-downs for better data management. Next, start entering your data directly into the grid. You can also import existing data from a CSV or other sources. Now, let's set up different views for your dashboard. In the View section, click on Grid View and select Create View. Choose options like Gallery View for project visuals or Kanban View for task tracking. Adjust filters to display only relevant projects based on status or due dates. To add interactivity, incorporate Airtable's Blocks feature. Click on Apps in the upper right corner and select Add an App. Explore various apps to enhance your team's workflow, like the chart block or calendar block. Select the blocks that best suit your dashboard needs and follow the installation prompts. Arrange your blocks on the dashboard according to your team's workflow preferences. Ensure all team members have access to the Airtable base. Share the base by clicking the Share button in the upper right corner. Choose the appropriate permissions for your team, granting them access to view or edit. Customize your dashboard's appearance by selecting different themes or colors. Finally, save your dashboard setup and communicate with your team about how to use it. Regularly update the dashboard to reflect project changes and team progress. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.